So hello students. So this is our first question. This is actually from the section. This is section B. It's a 3 marker question. So this was from all. This came in All India it's of the CBSE board 2022 of the term 2. So term 2 exam. This was the question from trigonometry. Now the two men on either side of the cliff, 75-meter high, observe the angle of elevation of the top of the cliff to be 30 degree and 60 degree. As you can see, they have given the diagram. So they are on these are the two men on either side of the cliff. So cliff is 75-meter high, and they have also given you the angle of elevation. Find the distance between the two men. So one man is over here at point C, another man is at point D. So basically, we have to find the distance AC and the distance AD. To find the distance AC, we'll take the triangle. The triangle that we'll take is ABC. ABC. As you can see in this triangle, this is 30 degree. This will be the perpendicular, and this is the base. So this will be AB by AC. We know that perpendicular by base is what? This is actually perpendicular right here, perpendicular by base. So perpendicular by base is tan. So this is tan. And the angle is what? 30 degree. So you take tan 30 degree because tan is perpendicular by base. Okay, now what is AB? AB they have given 75, and we have to find AC. So here is AC, which is equal to tan 30 degree. Now what is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we cross multiply. Now the next step we cross multiply. So AC will be multiplied with 1. So AC into 1 will be AC only. This is 75 root 3. Okay. So we have the value of AC, which is 75 root 3. Now what we will do, we'll take triangle. We'll take just do it like this. We'll take triangle ABD. Okay. So again, AB by AD. We know that AB will be the perpendicular since this is the angle. So this will be the perpendicular and AD will be the base. So perpendicular by base is tan. So we do AB, which is perpendicular by AD, which is the base, equals tan 60 degree. So this is tan 60. Now AB, we know AB is 75. We have to find AD. Okay. So this will be tan 60 degrees. What? Tan 60 degrees root 3. Now let's solve for this. Oh, sorry. Let's solve for this. This is root 3. You can write it here 1 and you cross multiply. Okay. So this will be AD times root 3 equals 75. So again cross multiplying, AD will be what? AD will be 75 by root 3. Now you can see root 3 over here. So we will rationalize it So this will be 75 root 3, and now root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and this goes 25. So this is 25 root 3. Now the value of AD is 25 root 3. Okay, so let's see. AC was, as you can see, AC was 75 root 3. This AC is 75 root 3. AD is 25 root 3. Now the distance between the two men, the distance between the two, that is given by DC. So DC is what? Distance between the two men is DC, which is AC plus AD. AC is 75 root 3 plus AD is 25 root 3. AD is 25 root 3. So this equals 100 root 3. The distance between two men is 100 root 3 meter. So students, here's the next question. This was from All India. This was from All India. Year was 2022. So 2022 year. And for the term 2, this is from the term 2. And so this was from section C. Section C, and this is a 4 marker question. And students, also, if you like our video, please do like, share, and subscribe, because your subscription is really a very big support for us. So please keep liking and subscribing. So let's start with our question. Now, this was question number 30. It was from case study 1. Now, Kite Festival is celebrated in many different countries at different times of the year. In India, every year, 14 January is celebrated as International Kite Day. Now, on this day, many people visit India and participate in festival by flying various kinds of kites. Okay, the picture gives below shows 3 kites flying together. Okay, so let's directly go to the picture. So over here you can see. So this is the picture in figure. So this is the given figure. The angle of elevation of 2 kites. Okay, point A and B. So these are actually 2 kites, point A, point B, from the end of a man, point C. Okay, this is the man. Are found to be, this is 30 degree and this one is 60 degree respectively. Taking AD as 50 meter, now AD as 50 meter and BE as 60 meter, find. Okay, the first part is you have to find the length of the string used. Take them straight. Okay, because the length of the string used for kites A and B as shown in the figure. So see, basically these strings basically you have to find the length of AC and CB. So to find the length of AC and CB, first of all, see, we take triangle. Now take the triangle ADC. We know that this is the right angle triangle. Okay, now because this is 30 degree angle, so this will be perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So we will take perpendicular by hypotenuse, and we know that in trigonometry that's sine theta. Okay, so this is sine theta. So perpendicular is what? AD, which is 50, and AC, because the hypotenuse is AC, because this one is 90, no? So this is AC, which is equal to sine 30 degree. Okay, now solving this, 50 upon AC. Now what is sine 30 degree? Now we know that sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. And now cross multiplication. Cross multiply, you will see that AC times 1 will be AC. And this is 50 times 2. So this is 50 times 2, which is 100 meter. 100 meter. So the length of this AC or one of the string is 100 meter. Okay. Now for this, to find the length of the string of kite B, you can see this kite B. The length of the string is actually BC. So BC is the length of the string, and in triangle C, we'll take triangle BCE. We know that this is 90. So this is, and we are taking this angle 60. So this will be the perpendicular side opposite to angle 60. It's perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So again, applying that thing, perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is sine 60. We take sine angle sine 60. So perpendicular is BE, which is 60. So 60 upon this BC, which will be the length of the string. This will be equals to sine 60. So this is sine 60. Okay, now solving it. This is sine 60. 60 upon the side BC. Now what is sine 60? Sine 60 is that's root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now again cross multiplying. So BC goes with root 3. So this is BC times root 3, which is equal to 60 times 2, which is 60 into 2 is 120. Now again, what will be BC? See, root 3 goes to upon. This is 120 by root 3. Now we have to rationalize this. Times root 3 times root 3. So this is 120 root 3. Now what is root 3 into root 3? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So writing over here 3. And you know that this goes 4 times. So this is 40. So this is 40 root 3. Hence, the length of the other meters, this will be meters, the length of the other string is 40 root 3 meter. So I think our part 1 is completed. The length of the string used for kites for A and B. Okay, completed. Now, the distance D between these two kites. Now, if we again go to this figure. Now, see, if you look at this figure, you will see that, see, DCE, this DCE is a straight line. DCE is a straight line. Hmm? Straight line. So that means the total angle, this is 180. That means angle C is actually equal to 180 degree. Now, if you minus these two angles, 30 degree and 60 degree, minus 30 plus 60, which is actually equal to 90. So this will be 180 minus 30 plus 60 is 90. So this will be 180 minus 90 will be 90. So this angle is 90 degree. Now again, if now again we can draw this triangle ACB, and this angle is 90 degree. So let's draw it over here. Let's draw like this. Let's this be this is A, this is A, C, B, and we know that the length of AC is 100 and length of CB is 40 root 3. Okay, let's see the diagram. I think it's not drawn correctly. 40 root 3 and this is 100, as you can see. Okay, CB is not of that much length, so let's make it again. Okay, so CB should be like this, CB. Okay, and we know that this is 40 root 3. We just have calculated. Now this angle is 90 degree. Now question 2 says that you have to find the second part says that you have to find the distance d between these two kites. We know that A and B represent the position of the kites. So they are representing the position of the kites. The distance between these two kites is represented by this line AB. Okay, now we know that this is the right angle triangle, this is 90. So what we will do is that we'll use Pythagoras theorem. In order to find AB, which is actually D. So take this as D. First of all, apply Pythagoras theorem, which states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, that is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. That equals AC square plus CB square. Now what is AB square? This is D square. That's what we have to find. Equals to AC square is 100 square. This 100 square plus 40 root 3 square. Okay, we know that 100 square will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is 100 square plus 40. See, 44 will be 16. So that will be 1600. 40 square is 1600. And then into root 3 square is 3. So this is 10,000 plus 16 into 3 is 48. 4800. 4800. Okay. So D square is what? D square is, you add these two, which is 14,800. Now what will be D? D will be under root of 14,800. Okay. Now we have to do the prime factor, we have to find the under root by the prime factorization only. So this is 14,800. Let's start with 2. If you do with 2, this will be 7,400. Again with 2, this will be 3,700. Again with 2, just do half of it, which is 1,850. It will go again by 2, which will be just half of it, 925. Now this is not divisible by 2, this is divisible by 5. 5. So this goes 185 times, and again with 5, 5 3s are 15. This goes 735, yeah, 37. So the 37 is, I think it's a prime number. So now make the pair of it. This 2 will make one pair, one pair, one pair. So this will be 2 into 5. Root 37 meter will be the distance. So 2 2 is a 4. 4 5 is a 20. 20 root 37 meter. Now this is the distance between the two kites. And the answer for 2 is 20 root 37, the distance between the two kites. Okay, so that finishes our question. So our next question is question 14. This was from All India, uh, All India, All India CBSE. This is from CBSE 2022 from term 1, section A question. This was from section A. And this is for the one marker. As you can see, you have some options. So basically, students, I have chosen all the questions from these previous year question paper so that it covers all the syllabus of the trigonometry in the class 10. It is going to cover all your syllabus in CBSE. Okay, so the question is in right angle triangle ABC. Okay, let's make a right angle triangle over here. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Hmm? Uh, right angle at B. Okay, they are saying it's right angle at B. So this is right angle. Considering this as B, we can name this as A and this as C. So ABC is a right angle triangle. We have sine A. Okay, they have given sine A equals 7 by 25. And the value of cos C is. Now see, they have taken a different angle, sine A. A basically this, when you are taking this angle, we know that this AC will be the hypotenuse, but the CB will be the perpendicular. Okay, and AB will be the base. So sine A is 7 by 25. So we can directly take the ratios as they take this as side as 7 and this side as 25. Okay. So now by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate this AB. So this AB will be, we know that in the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that AC square equals the sum of the squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. Now what will be AC square? AC square is 25 square, that equals AB square, that's what we have to find, plus BC square is 7 square. So this is actually 625. We know that the square of 25 is 625, and this is AB square. So this is AB square, that's what we have to find, plus this is 7 square is 49. Okay, now you take 49 to that side, to 625 minus 49 is what? 625 minus 625 minus 49 is actually 576. 576. So this AB square equals 576, and this AB will be under root of 576, that equals 24. So this is AB. So AB is 24. Okay. So substituting the value of AB is 24. Now again coming back to the question, find the value of cos C. Now see, cos C. Now if we are taking this angle, see, if we are taking this angle, this is cos C, then this will be perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and this will be the base. Okay, perpendicular, hypotenuse, base. Cos C. Now what is cos C? Cos C, we know that cos of C, not C of any angle, is based upon hypotenuse. Based upon hypotenuse. So over here I have already written base and hypotenuse like this. So cos C, taking this angle as C, will be base is how much? 7. Hypotenuse is 25. So our answer is 7 by 25, which is option A. So that option A is the correct one. So our next question is question number 6. This is from All India. This is from All India. All India 2022, and this was from term 1. So term 1 and section A, which was from section A, question number 6, and 1 mark. As you can see, you have the options. So see, first of all, what is given? If cot theta is 1 by root 3, then you have to find the value of sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Okay, so starting with this, cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by root 3. Okay, so we know that cot theta is basically the reciprocal of tan theta. So what will be tan theta? Tan theta, that equals root 3. And when at what angle tan theta is root 3? So when theta is 60 degree. So we have the value of theta as 60 degree. Now we'll just substitute over here. So writing sec squared theta plus cosec squared theta. Okay, we know that sec squared theta is written as 1 upon cos squared theta plus cosec squared theta. You can write 1 upon sine squared theta. Sine squared theta. Now this is square actually. So we have to substitute theta as 60 degree. So we know that cos 60 degree is what? Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 by 2, but this is in square, plus similarly 1 upon, what is sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So 1 upon root 3 by 2, but this will be in square because that's square over here. Okay, now we have to solve this. We have to solve this part. Now see, this will be 1, actually 1 upon, if you open the bracket, this will be 1 by 4 plus 1 upon root 3 square is 3 only, and this will be 2 square, so that is 4. So see, now this is 1 upon 1 by 4. So when you write it, this will be reciprocated. That means 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1 plus, and this will again become 4 by 3. Now we have to take the LCM 3. This goes 3 times, so 4 3 is 12, plus this goes just 1 time, so 4 1 is 4, which is 16 by 3. Now if you want to express this as a mixed fraction, as you can see, this is an improper fraction. So expressing this as mixed fraction, 16 by 3, you can express directly dividing 16 by 3. So this is 3, as 3 5s are 15, remainder is 1. So the answer is 5 1 by 3. 5 1 by 3. Actually, now we have to see the options. Which option is 5 1 by 3? D, option D. You see that option D, 5 1 by 3. This one is the correct one. So now our next question is question number 20. So this is from All India. This is from All. This is from All India 2022. Term 1. Term 1. And this was from section A. Section A. This is a 1 mark. Okay, so then also, when you solve the questions from like the previous year question papers, this, first of all, it helps you in revising your entire syllabus, which will prepare for you for your upcoming board exams. And also, you also get to know the types of question, like what type of question you get in the board exams. So let's solve this. Now, question 20. Given that sec theta is root 2. Okay, sec theta, this is root 2, and then you have to find the value of this thing. Okay, 1 plus tan theta by sine theta. 1 plus tan theta by sine theta. So now we know that sec theta is basically the reciprocal of cos theta. So what will be cos theta? Cos theta will be equals 1 by root 2. So by this we know that when cos theta is 1 by root 2, when theta is 45 degrees. So now we have the value of theta. What we will do, we'll just substitute over here. So this will be 1 plus tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree and sine 45 degree, because theta is 45, sine 45 degree. Now what is tan 45 degree? Tan 45 is 1, so this is 1 plus 1, and sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So just solving it over here. So this will be 2, and this is 1 by root 2. So now when multiplied, this will be reciprocated into root 2 by 1, which is actually 2 root 2. So the value of this is 2 root 2. Let's see which option is correct. 2 root 2, yes, the 2 root 2 option A is correct. So that's our answer, A, 2 root 2. That's the answer. So this is our next question. So this was from All India. It was from All India CBSE board, India CBSE board, and this was of 2022. 2022 term 1. Term 1, and this was from section B. Section B. This was 1 marker question. Okay. Now they have given you A cot theta plus B cosec theta equals P. and b cot theta plus a cosec theta equals q. Then what is p square minus q square? Okay, first of all, just write it down. See what they have given: a cot theta plus b cosec theta equals p, and they have given b cot theta plus a cosec theta equals q. Okay, now they are asking what is p square minus q square. So p square minus q square. See, actually, we have done the identity: a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So p square minus q square will be, this will be p plus q and p minus q. Okay, so now what we do, we find p plus q first. Okay, so we are finding p plus q, so I'm writing it over here: p plus q. So this will be, just write like this: a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Okay, and then plus q will be plus b cot theta plus a cosec theta. We will see this thing: a cot theta plus b cot theta. Okay, now what we will do, we will take a common cot theta. So if we take common cot theta, cot theta, this will be a plus b. Okay, similarly from this, a cosec theta and, sorry, b cosec theta and a cosec theta, if we take common cosec theta, we will be left with a plus b cosec theta. So a plus b cosec theta, Now from here we can take a plus b common from these two. So if we take common a plus b, so this will be cot theta plus cosec theta, So this is what, this is p plus q. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find p minus q. So now we are going to find p minus q. So let's find it over here. Now what is p minus q? Okay. Now what was p? P was a cot theta plus b cosec theta. So let's write it over here: a cot theta plus b cosec theta, and then minus q will be, these both sign will be minus b cot theta minus a cosec theta. So minus a cosec theta. Okay, now let's solve this. Now see, from this we can take cot theta common. So this will be a minus b. You can take cot theta common, cot theta. Similarly from here you can take cosec theta common. So from here, if you take cosec theta common, this will be plus, this will be actually b minus a. See, this will be b minus a cosec theta. But what we'll do is that if we take minus sign common, then this will be a minus b cosec theta. So, let's do one thing. Let's take minus sign common over here, and we write this as a minus b. That's correct. Now we have taken minus sign. Now from here we can take a minus b common. Now if we take a minus b common, what is left over here? This is cot theta minus cosec theta. Now this is cot theta minus cosec theta, which is p minus q. Now see, if you look over here, see, this is, what is p square minus q square? P plus q, p minus q. That means we have to multiply. Now we have to multiply p plus q into p minus q to get p square minus q square. So if we multiply these two quantities, see, this one and this one. So since they are in simple multiplication, see, a plus b into a minus b, we can just write a square minus b square using the identity a plus b into a minus b. Similarly for this, cot theta plus cosec theta, and this is cot theta minus cosec theta. So the same identity, a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So over here we can write cot square theta minus, let's move over here, minus cosec square theta. Okay, now Now, if you remember the trigonometric identity, now there was a trigonometric identity. If you remember cosec square theta, you can write cosec square theta as 1 plus cot square theta. See, we have to find the value of cot square theta minus cosec square theta. So see, take 1 to that side, so this will be minus 1. So this will be equal to, and if you take cosec square theta to that side, that will be cot square theta minus cosec square theta. So what's the value of, so using trigonometric identity, so the value of cot square theta minus cosec square theta over here is minus 1. So you write this actually minus 1. So this is minus a square minus b square. Now if you open the bracket, this will be minus a square plus b square, or you can write b square minus a square. Now if we see the option, over here, we see that our option b square minus a square, so this is the correct option. So students, our next question, this was from All India, 2022, term 1, section B. Again, this is 1 marker. Okay. Now, question 39. This is question 39. If sec theta plus tan theta is P, then what is tan theta? Okay. So just write sec theta, not like this, sorry for this, sec theta plus tan theta equals P. Okay. Take this as equation 1. Now, on the next step, see what we can do. We can write 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. If you reciprocate it, this will be 1 by P only. This will be 1 by P. Okay. Now see the left hand side. Now we can rationalize this. Rationalizing means, see, if you take 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta, and you multiply it with the negative sign of it, sec theta minus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. Now see, this will be 1 into sec theta minus tan theta will be just sec theta minus tan theta whole upon. Now this again a plus b, a minus b, that will be a square minus b square. So this will be sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now see, now using the trigonometric identity. Now there is one trigonometric identity which states that sec, if you remember, sec square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta. So students, you can see how, there is a lots use of trigonometric identities over here. So please memorize the trigonometric identities, they are very important. So if you see tan square theta, if you take tan square theta over this side, so this will be sec square theta minus tan square theta, this equals to 1. So basically I was saying you should memorize this trigonometric identities or formulas, and also you can go to my YouTube shorts where I generally, I give the formulas revision, the YouTube shorts, especially for the formula revision. So you can go and check out my YouTube shorts for these kinds of revision. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So over here this will be what? This is sec theta minus tan theta, because this thing, and this will become 1. So this is sec theta minus tan theta. Now what is sec theta minus tan theta? 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. You can write sec theta minus tan theta as we have just done. So this you can write sec theta minus tan theta equals 1 by P, and you can take this as equation number 2. You have to actually minus. So just write this. I'm writing this equation down. So this is sec theta plus tan theta equals P. So this is equation 1. Now see, what do? You minus it. Now if you minus the equation, so this sec theta, this will become minus, and minus, this will again become minus, and this will become minus. So these two will get cancelled. So you will have minus 2 tan theta, and this will be P, 1 by P minus P. Actually, this is minus, I have written minus 2 tan theta. So you can write 2 tan theta taking the minus sign common, and you can write p minus 1 by p. Because I have taken the minus sign common. So now we have to solve p minus 1 by p. So this is, you take this p common, this p common. So this will be p square minus 1. So this 2 tan theta equals p square minus 1 by p. So what is tan theta? This tan theta equals p square minus 1, 2 goes upon 2p. So this is our answer. Let's check what option is given over here. So p square minus 2p, this is our answer, the option B. The B part is the correct one. So now we have two questions, 14 and 15. They are from all India. These two questions, consecutive question actually, 14 and 15 are from all India 2020. It's obvious that that is from the CBSE board, and this is from section A. Both are from section A, 1 marker. So we are going to solve both. Now the 14th question. So first of all, 14th, value of tan 1, tan 2, and so on up to tan 89. So see, basically this is tan. You can write this as tan 1 degree. It's times tan 2 degree, tan 2 degree, and so on up to, you will get tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree will be actually in the middle, and so on up to, this will be tan 88 degree. 88 degree into tan 89 degree. So we can write like this. Now see, you must know that you can write, just move it over here, move it a little bit over here. See, you can write tan 90, this is actually the formula that you should know. Tan 90 minus theta, you can write this as cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta, you can write this as tan theta. Now tan theta. Okay, now how you can write tan 1 degree? See, tan 1 degree can be written as cot. If you see, you can write 90 minus 1 as cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So cot 90 minus 1 will be tan 1. Similarly, this you can write cot 90 minus 2, 90 minus 2, and so on. This will be tan 45. No need to touch this because we know the the value of tan 45, and so on up to tan 88. Leave it like this, tan 88 into tan 89. Now if you see, cot 90 minus 1. Now 90 minus 1 is 89. You can write this as cot. You can write this as cot. 90 minus 1 is 89 into, this will be cot 88 degree, and so on. Tan 45, just write it over 1 because we know that value of tan 45 is 1. Then you have tan 88 into tan 89. Okay. Now if you see, cot and tan, they are the reciprocal of each other. So cot 89 and tan 89. So you can write cot 89 as, because you can write cot theta as 1 by tan theta, as you know this. So cot 89 and tan 89 will become 1. Similarly, cot 88 and tan 88 will become 1. And this process goes on, like cot 87 and then tan 87 will become 1 times 1 time 1 time 1, and so on. This goes till 1 and only. So the final answer will be 1 only. That's the final answer. So the answer for this is, just write it over here. Answer for this is 1. For this is 1. Okay. Now 15th question. Now in the figure 3, the angle of depression from observing position O1 and O2 respectively of the object AR. Okay, now see, angle of depression they are talking about. So let from here make a straight line. Over from here, just make a straight line from these two. Okay, now if we talk about this thing, O1, let's talk about O1. We know that AC and this line, take this as E. These two are parallel lines. So this, yeah, see, if this is 60, we know that this is 90. So this angle will be 30 degree. So we know that by the alternate interior angles, if this is 30, this will also be 30 degree. So this is the angle of depression from O1 is 30 degree. And if you extend this line, you see this AC and EQ1 are parallel line, and taking this as transversal, this is 45. So by the alternate interior angle, this angle will also be 45 degree. So angle of depression from here is 45 degree. That completes our question. So now this question, question number 16, is from All India CBSE Board 2020. This is from 2020, section A, section A, section A, and this is of 1 marker question. Okay. If sine A plus sine square A is 1, then find the value of the expression cos square A plus cos to the power 4A. Now see, cos square A plus cos to the power 4A. Basically, you can write sine A plus sine square A is 1. So let's write it over here. We'll write it over here. Sine A plus sine square A equals 1. So now we can write sine A, take sine square A to that side, which is equal to 1 minus sine square A. And if you remember the trigonometric identity, sine square A plus cos square A is 1. And if you take sine square to that side, so cos square A will be 1 minus sine square A. Now sine square A, you can write this as cos square A. So basically this is equals to cos square A. So sine A is equals cos square A according to this question. Okay. Now take this one. Now take this thing. Cos square A plus cos to the power 4A. Now see, cos to the power 4A, we can write this like this. See, writing it like as it is, cos square A plus, see, this will be cos square A whole square. Cos to the power 4A, you can write cos square A whole square. Now what is cos square A? From equation 1, you see, cos square A, we can write sine A. So right here, so this is cos square A plus, writing this as sine A and then whole square. So this will become cos square A plus sine square A, and again using this trigonometric identity, this thing over here, this one over here, cos square A plus sine square A is 1. Similarly, cos square A plus sine square A, this will be 1 only. So hence the answer for this is 1. So students, revising these previous year questions will really going to help you, because solving these previous year questions will really gives you an idea about the type of the questions that you will be getting in your examination, and this method of preparing will prepare you better for your coming examination. So this question is from All India 2020. This question was from All India CBSE board. This was 2020 question. It's like one of the important questions. Section B. This was from section B. Section B, and it's a 2 marker. So there are 2 parts. So we are going to do both the parts. So first part is 23. Prove that 1 plus cot square alpha upon 1 plus cosec alpha is cosec alpha. Okay. So we just write this 1 plus cot square alpha upon 1 plus cosec alpha. Cosec alpha. Now see, again, if we look at the trigonometric identities, so if you know trigonometric identities, so there is one trigonometric identity in which 1 plus cot square theta, that equals cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equals cosec square theta. Now, how you can write cot square theta? If you take 1 to right hand side, so this will be cot square theta equals cosec square theta minus 1. So similarly, cot square alpha, you can write cosec square alpha minus 1. So I'm writing it over here, 1 plus this, you can write cosec square alpha minus 1 upon this is 1 plus cosec alpha. Okay. So now you see 1, you can write 1 as 1 square. 1 or 1 square is the same thing. Now use the formula use the identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So this is cosec square alpha minus 1 square. So what you can write, see, 1 plus, you can write this as cosec alpha minus 1, and you can write here cosec alpha plus 1. upon, see, 1 plus cosec alpha, you can write cosec alpha plus 1. So now what you can do? You can cancel cosec alpha plus 1, cosec alpha plus 1 from here directly. So now what is left over here is 1 plus cosec alpha minus 1. So 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So what is left over here? Cosec alpha, which is, hence we have proved it, as you can see, is equal to cosec alpha. Okay, so for the next part, I'm doing it over here. Yeah, just make it like this. Okay, so with a different pen, yeah. Now see, here this is, here they have given, just a second, yeah, solution. Tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. You have to prove this to be equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Okay, so now see how you can write tan to the power 4 theta. First of all, taking this, this is LHS, taking the right hand, sorry, left hand side. So tan to the power 4 theta, this will be tan square theta. You can write tan to the power 4 theta as tan square theta whole square plus tan square theta. Yeah, you can write this tan square theta whole square. Now again, if you remember the identity, you do 1 plus, the identity was 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta. Now what you can write tan square theta? You can write tan square theta, this equals sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so that's what I'm going to write it over here. So this is tan square theta as sec square theta minus 1 whole square plus, again, tan square theta. You can write tan square theta as this sec square theta minus 1. So that's what I'm going to write over here. So this is sec square theta minus 1. Now expand this bracket. Now see, this will be sec square theta. Basically, you have to use identity a minus b whole square. So sec square theta whole square is sec to the power 4 theta, sec to the power 4 theta minus twice of ab, which is 2 sec square theta into 1. That is actually the same thing, and plus 1 because a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 1 plus this is sec square theta minus 1. See, this and this will get cancelled. Now this is sec 4 theta. Now see, these are the like terms, minus 2 sec square theta plus sec square theta. So this is minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 minus sec square theta. So I think this is what we have to prove. So we have proved that sec to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta equals sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Hence this is proved.
So students, this question was from Delhi. Delhi year was 2020, and this is from section C. Section C, and this is a 3-marker question. Okay, so the question is, if sin theta plus cos theta is root 2, prove that tan theta plus cot theta is 2. So let's start with taking sin theta plus cos theta. So this is sin theta plus cos theta, that equals root 2. Okay, now see, what we do is that we square both sides. So squaring both sides will be sin theta plus cos theta square and then root 2 square. Okay, so now expanding this will be sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 a square plus b square plus twice of ab. So this will be 2 sin theta cos theta. Now root 2 and then square, so that will be 2 only. Now we know that by the trigonometric identity that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 2. Now you take 1 to that side, so this will be 2 Sin theta cos theta. So that will be 2 minus 1. That will be just 1. Okay, because 1 to that side will be 1. So what will be sin theta cos theta? Sin theta cos theta will be 1. This 2 goes to upon 1 by 2. Okay, now using this sin theta cos theta equals 1 by 2. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove this, that tan theta plus cot theta to be root 2. Okay, so see, tan theta can be written in form sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta you can write cos theta by sin theta. Now if you take the LCM, so this is cos theta sin theta, so LCM will be, let's write sin theta cos theta, and this is already cos theta, sin and sin, this will be sin square theta, plus sin theta is already there, cos and cos, this will be cos square theta. Again, by the trigonometric identity, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 upon this is sin theta cos theta, and we know from here that sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2. So we are going to substitute this value over here, which is 1 upon 1 by 2. So this will be 1 into, so this thing will be reciprocated 2 by 1, which is equals to 2. Hence we have proved that tan theta plus cot theta, as you can see, tan theta plus cot theta, that equals root 2. So here is the full solution of that. Now this question is from Delhi, or this is CBSE Delhi in the year 2020, and this was section D. This was from section D, and it's a 4-marker question. Okay, so from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. Okay, let's make a building first. So this, consider this is a 20-meter high building, and above this is the tower. So consider this is the tower. Okay, so from the point of elevation on the ground, the angle of elevation of top and the bottom of the tower. Okay, let's join this over here. So this is the bottom and this is the top of the tower. So angle of elevation over given is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree, and total this one is 60 degree. Okay, now just name this triangle. We can name this triangle as A, C, D, and now taking this point as B. So we take this point as B. Now we have to find the height of the tower. Take this point as H. Okay, so first of all we will take the triangle ABD, ABD. So in triangle ABD, you know that this is 45 degree. So this will be perpendicular and this is the base. So we know that in a triangle, perpendicular by base is tan theta. So 20, which is perpendicular, upon AD, which is the base. This will give you tan 45 degree. So this is tan 45 degree. We know that tan 45 degree is 1. So if you cross multiply, this 20 will be equals to AD, or AD is what, 20, taking this as equation 1. Okay, now we'll take the triangle ADC. Now the bigger triangle ADC, as you know that this is 90 degree, so this is 60 degree. So this AC will be the perpendicular, and again AD will be the base. So perpendicular by base is again tan. So perpendicular is what, AC, so that is 20 plus H, 20 plus H upon AD, which is the base, AD. This is equals to tan 60. As you can see, this angle is 60. So this is tan 60 degree. And we know that tan 60 degree is root 3. So now again cross multiply. This will be 20 plus H will be equals root 3 times AD. So what we can write AD? We can write AD as 20 plus H by root 3. This is AD, equation 2. Now we see that in equation 1 and 2, AD is being the same, AD being the same. So we can, like AD is the same. So this 20, we can write 20 equals 20 plus H by root 3. Okay. Now again cross multiplication, root 3 goes over here. So this will be 20 root 3 equals 20 plus h. So taking 20 to that side, that will become negative. 20 root 3 minus 20 equals h. Or you can write h equals, take 20 common, we can take 20 common. This will be root 3 minus 1 meter. So that's the height of the tower that we have to find. So this is the, oh sorry for this. So this is the height of the tower. CV, that's h. So this question is from All India CBSE, All India CBSE, and it was from the year 2019, section C, 3 marker. Okay. Now we have to evaluate this. You can see 3 sine 43 degree upon cos 47 whole square. Okay, so just write it down. Write it down. 3 sine 43 degree upon cos 47 degree whole square minus, this is cos 37 degree cosec 53 degree whole upon tan 5 degree, tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 45 degree, actually tan 45 degree is 1, tan 65 degree and tan 85 degree. Now see, this is a very interesting question. See, first of all we should know that we can write sine, see we know that sine 90 minus theta equals cos theta. Similarly, you should know that cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Okay, so see, sine 43, we can write sine 43 as 3. You can write this as cos 90 minus 43. Okay, because cos 90 minus 43 will be by this, you see cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, this will be sine 43, so it's the same thing, upon cos 47 degree, and then you do the whole square of it, minus, now see, minus minus cos 37 degree. Now again see, cos 37 degree, we can write this as sine 90 minus 37, because we know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine 90 minus 37 will cos 37, and this will be cosec 53 degree. Okay, upon tan 5 degree. And also see, just remove this. And also we know that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Okay, so tan 5 degree we can write it like this, cot 90 minus 5, because cot 90 minus 5 will be tan 5. Similarly, tan 25 we can write cot 90 minus 25, and this is tan 45, tan 65, and then tan 85. Okay, this question has become quite big. Okay, just do like this. Okay. Now see, see what is 90 minus 43? We can write 90 minus 43 is 47. So we can write like this: 3 cos 47 degree 47 upon cos 47 degree whole square. We know that cos 47 will get cancelled, minus. Now sine 90 minus what is 90 minus 37 is 53. So you can write this as sine 53 and cosec 53 degree. Okay, now we can remove this, cosec 53 degree whole upon. Now see, what is cot 90 minus 5? 90 minus 5 is 85. So you can write this as cot 85. 90 minus 25 is 65. You can write this as cot 65. Tan 45 degree is 1. Just write 1. Then tan 65 and then tan 85. Okay. Now see, this got cancelled. 3 square is actually 9 minus Sine 53, cosec 53. We know that cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. Is the reciprocal of this. So we can write here sine 53 into 1 upon sine 53. These two will get cancelled. Similarly, if you take cot 85 and tan 85, you know that cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So cot 85 will be 1 by tan 85 into tan 85, that will be 1. Similarly, cos 65, tan 65, same thing, this will be 1. Tan 45 is 1. So this is also 1, 1 upon 1, that is actually 1. So this will become 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8. That's our answer for this question. Yeah, here is the solution of the whole question. So students, please keep on liking and subscribing the video, because I will be coming with more such videos. So stay tuned. See you on the next video. And also, thanks for watching. Goodbye.